How do you do today? I'm going to explain math of primary 1. Let's start. What time is shown on the clock? So the clock, as you see the time already. So let me let you know the time of the clock. This thing, the long one point to 12, it is the minute, and the small one pointed to 2, so it's the hour. So this is 2 o'clock. So right here, you write the 2 o'clock right here. So if A 2 in 12 minutes, not correct. And this thing too, not correct, because 12 and 2, because this is an hour and this is a minute, but they said they put wrong. And this the last one is 12 o'clock. So at 12 o'clock, this thing must be right here as the long one. So thank you for listening to my explaining about math of primary 1.